Welcome to the new Indian Express update on the major developments in Kerala. The National Investigation Agency arrested 3 suspected Al-Qaeda terrorists who allegedly were planning terror attacks in the country from Perumbavoor and Pathalam in Ernakulam district. Murshid Hassan was arrested from a labour camp near Pathalam Junction in Kochi, while Mosraf Hussain and Iyakub Bishwas were taken into custody from a labour camp at Mudikal near Perumbavoor. All the 3 are natives of West Bengal. The 3 were arrested as part of a nationwide raid in the wee hours of Saturday, during which 6 others were arrested from West Bengal. Influenced by a low pressure area developing in the northeast Bay of Bengal, heavy rain started lashing in the state on Saturday. The IMD has issued a red alert for Idukki, Kannur and Kasaragod, while an orange alert has been sounded for Alappuzha, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kozhikode and Wayanad districts. The Disaster Management Authority has issued an alert about possible landslides in hilly areas. A unit of NDRF has been deployed in Kozhikode in view of the downpour. Government employees unions affiliated to the ruling CPM and CPI have expressed their disagreement with the government's decision to continue the 6-day salary cut for another 6 months. NGO Union and Secretariat Employees Association have conveyed their opposition to the government. 1 person went missing after a boat capsized at Mudalappuzhi in Thiruvananthapuram district on Saturday morning. The boat carrying 3 capsized after it was caught in strong tidal waves. 2 people swam to the shore while 1 went missing. The search for the missing fisherman, Sajin, 40 years of age, from Karunagapalli is underway. Industries Minister E.P. Jayarajan and his wife T.K. Indira, who were hospitalized after testing COVID positive, returned home on Saturday after recovering from the infection. They were undergoing treatment at Kannur Medical College Hospital in Pariyaram from September 11th. That's all for now. Please join us again for the evening bulletin on the developments in Kerala. Thank you.